Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious salmon rice bowl. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally around 6 ounces each, ensuring they are fresh for optimal taste. Next, season your salmon simply with salt, pepper, and a hint of garlic powder to enhance its natural flavors. Cook the salmon until it's perfectly flaky, whether you prefer pan-searing for a crispy skin or baking for a tender texture. This foundational step sets the stage for a fantastic meal. Now let's get the rice ready. Cook 1 cup of short-grain white rice, following the package instructions precisely to achieve that ideal sticky texture. While the rice cooks, prepare your flavorful sauce. Combine soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a dash of sesame oil for a balanced base. For an extra layer of richness and a little kick, whisk in a spoonful of mayonnaise and a squeeze of sriracha. This sauce truly elevates the entire bowl. With your salmon and rice prepared, it's time to assemble your beautiful bowl. First, gently fluff the cooked rice and distribute it evenly into your serving bowls, creating a comforting base. Next, carefully break the perfectly cooked salmon into tender, bite-sized pieces and arrange them artfully over the warm rice. To add freshness and crunch, garnish generously with creamy sliced avocado, crisp cucumber, and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for a delightful finish. To complete your salmon rice bowl, generously drizzle the delicious sauce you prepared over all the ingredients, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. For a final touch of freshness and a pop of color, sprinkle some finely chopped green onions over the top. This simple addition brightens the dish beautifully. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible homemade salmon rice bowl.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.